Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video, and in this video is going to be regarding Accenture hiring process and their exam pattern basically. So in my last video I have talked about how Accenture is sending slot booking mails for students or candidates who have applied for a SPADA role, that is the Packaged App Development Associate job role. So those who have applied earlier, they're getting slot booking mails, and generally there are two slots that we kind of know of on 2nd May and 4th May. So 2nd May there are three timings given, you have to choose any of this, and 4th May also same. So if there is any other slot you receive, make sure to add in the comment section. But in this video I am going to tell you about the exam detail, exam pattern, how many stages, what are the multiple phases, and what type of questions you can expect in each stage. About that only, let's see what are the different stages are there in the Accenture. First of all, whenever you are applying in the Accenture, when after applying, when there is going to be assessment, before that they are going to send you these messages in WhatsApp or mail that thanks for applying like that, and slot booking. And then after slot booking there is going to be some type of exam that is going to be your like demo exam. They will make you familiar with the platform like that. Okay, so you have to give that, and then after that your actual exam is going to start. Your actual exam, how it is going to happen, your actual exam is going to happen on the same day when you have booked the slot. Okay, on that day, on that given time, it is going to happen. But there are going to be two stages. First of all, there is a aptitude test and a coding stage, and both of these happens together. You have to understand, both of these happens together within a few minutes time. So let's see what are the pattern of this aptitude and coding exam. But before moving on, if you are new to our channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, join our Telegram from the description box link, WhatsApp channel also you can join, and make sure to click on the bell icon after subscribing, because we post multiple hiring, onboarding, exam, interview, industry updates every day regularly. Make sure not to miss out. So let's see, first of all there is going to be the aptitude exam. So in the aptitude exam there is going to be 90 minutes time. Okay, in there will be technical questions and aptitude questions both combined. So total 90-minute time will be given, and as you know that Accenture generally 1 minute per one question it is there. So 90 minutes will be 90 questions. And what are the different things you are going to expect in the exam? First of all, there will be English ability questions, then critical reasoning and problem solving skills, and then at the end there will be abstract reasoning. So these three sections will be there for aptitude, and from these three sections there will be 50 questions. And after that there is the technical assessment or technical MCQ part. There will be 40 questions. So total 90 questions, 90 minutes. These happens in one go. Okay, you have to complete this whole exam at one go. Total 90 minutes time will be given, and 90 questions will be given from 6 different sectors. So 3 sectors I have already mentioned about the aptitude part. And what are the technical MCQ part? Different sections is going to be common application and MS Office. Pseudocodes will be there. Pseudocodes like in the pseudocode is given, they will ask you what will be the output, or where is the error, or which line is missing. Like this type of coding questions they can you can expect, like MCQ type coding. Okay, like coding MCQs, not actual codes. And then there will be fundamentals of network security or cloud. This section also will be there. So these three sections for technical MCQ also have 40 questions. Okay, and 40 minutes time will be getting, total 90 minutes time will be getting. The main important part is, after that, after completing this assessment, whenever you are going to submit, within 5 to 10 minutes you are going to get the result for this. Okay, within 5 to 10 minutes. Till then, do not switch off your laptop, or do not close your exam browser or anything like that. Okay, like do not go somewhere else. Okay, just wait for the results after completing the exams within few minutes. Okay, like 10 minutes, within 10 minutes you can expect we are going to get the results they have mentioned. And also what they will do after the results, because the results is not important is do not missing the next round, that is the coding round. So if you are clearing the exam, if your result is saying that if you have cleared the aptitude round and technical MCQ round, then you are going to get the coding round assessment mail within 10 minutes, and then you have to start your coding round. And coding round is going to happen very soon, after like within 5 to 10 minutes you will get the results. After that your coding round will start. So if you pass, then you have to give the coding round immediately. So that's why they have advised to remain seated and wait for the results. And if you pass, then coding assessment will start immediately. So in the coding assessment part we are coming, but first of all you have to know that you have to meet subsection cutoff. So that means there is a sectional cutoff. Okay, for each section you have to clear the subsectional cutoff and also the overall cutoff you have to clear. All the rounds are mandatory to clear. Aptitude and technical MCQ round is mandatory and coding round is also mandatory. So you have to clear both rounds. Let's see what is the coding rounds exam pattern. So coding rounds, there will be 45 minutes time given for you. How many questions you can expect? You can expect 2 questions for the Accenture coding round. 2 questions in 45 minutes. By seeing this you can understand the question difficulty level is not going to be very tough. Question difficulty level is going to be intermediary. Okay, not too easy, not too tough. It will be intermediary level questions. You have to try to or aim to at least solve more than 1.5 questions to get next round mails. Okay, at least more than 1 and 1.5 you have to solve. If you are solving 2, that's great, then you are going to get the next round mail. And first of all, the coding assessment is going to be 2 questions. But what are the languages that you can use? Languages, coding languages you can use is going to be C, C++, .NET, Java and Python. These 5 languages you can use. Third round is going to be a communication assessment, but that will happen on another day. If you pass both the rounds, then within few days you will get your result, and after passing you are going to get the communication assessment mail also, but that will happen within few days. Like after few days of completing your assessment you will get the communication assessment, and in the communication assessment it will approximately take 30 minutes, and you will be receiving a separate email for that all details of participation, exam link and all. And they are generally going to check your sentence mastery, vocabulary skills, fluency and pronunciations, these in the communication assessment. When they send me results, I'll try to make a separate video about it, like what type of questions, what type of rounds are there. And after clearing communication assessment there will be interviews. So for interviews also I will make a separate video later when the time comes. For now just focus on your aptitude, technical MCQ and especially the coding questions. Okay, so that's it. If you have any other queries you can make sure to comment down.